Hello everybody. I am doing pork chops in the Instant Pot with an apple mustard glaze. So first what we want to do is turn it on to saute. So I'm putting it on saute. I have salt and peppered my pork chops, and you'll probably have to do it in batches. So I'm going to add some oil, and you'll want to peel about 4 potatoes, and you can do carrots in here as well. I'm not going to do the carrots. I'll probably have a different vegetable with this. So, waiting for it to get hot. I should have done that first. And you can do bone in or bone out. I felt like I was going to sneeze just as I turned on this camera, so I'm sorry if I sound funny. I need to fill up my salt and pepper. My hands are wet. I'm just batting 1,000 today, aren't I, on the filming? Nothing like a paper towel flopping in front of your face. Excuse me. We're supposed to get more rain, 4 inches or something, so I don't know if I get to go to the fair or not. I was really looking forward to my donut burger. So we are going to brown those up. So when they're getting going, I'll be back. Okay, so I've got these sort of brown. Get them as brown as you can. I just need to get dinner done. So I'm trying to hurry. Then we are going to turn off. I don't know why that's so, but it says off. Turn that off, and then I'm going to dump out that oil. Use a pot holder. Choose to clean that or not. And then I'm going to add, this is 3 potatoes, and I'm going to mash these after they're cooked. And then you want 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And when this is done, you can use that broth for the potatoes and the sauce, whatever you want. You can make this your own. Then take the trivet that comes with your Instapot, put it on top of the potatoes, and then put the pork chops. You can also add carrots on top of the trivet under the pork chops. I'm going to add that juice as well. And we'll be making a, what do you call it? A mustard apple sauce to go on these. So going to now going to put that on seal, and then we are going to push pressure pressure cook, and we want it to be for 15 minutes. And then you'll want to let it come down from pressure naturally. Okay. So that's what we're doing. And I will be back when we do the next step. Okay guys, so very last bit of pressure's coming out. There's that sneeze again. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to get my pork chops out of here. They look very tender. Fact, they look like they're falling apart tender. Uh-oh. Okay. Get this thing out. Get my potatoes out, and I'm going to smash those up. Or maybe I'll just, I don't know. I kind of want smashed potatoes. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on to saute again so we can make our sauce. Going to drain off a bit of this. Do I need to drain it off? Yeah, I need to drain off some of this. I'm going to drain off half of that juice. Once again, pot holder. In there. Then we are going to add about a cup of apple juice. And if you have grainy mustard, I recommend that, but I just have the regular brown mustard. So I'm going to use it. But if you have the grainy mustard, that's much better. Shake it up. And we are going to put in about a tablespoon. And we are going to add about a tablespoon brown sugar. And then get a whisk and let that cook until it reduces. So I'm going to let this reduce while I mash my potatoes. So we'll be back. Okay, so can you guys see the thickness of that? So you just let it reduce in the pan there, and then I'm going to just dip that real quick, put it on the plate. Get a spoon or a ladle. We have it. Okay, can we get in frame? Can you see it? So there's our plate. It's pretty easy. For some reason I can't film today. So if you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subbed, please do. And a thumbs up helps me out, and if you try the recipe, let me know how it goes, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.